Overcoming the fear of speaking English, a step-by-step guide to gaining confidence. Welcome back to Learn English with Stories. I'm so glad you're here. If you've ever felt nervous, shy, or even embarrassed when trying to speak English, you are not alone. Many people around the world feel the same way, and today, in this episode, we're going to gently walk through this fear together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why you feel afraid, but also learn exactly what to do to become a confident English speaker. So take a deep breath, and let's begin. Part 1. Why are you afraid to speak English? Before we solve the problem, we need to understand it. Most English learners are not afraid because they don't know words. They're afraid of being wrong. Here are some common thoughts that may feel familiar. What if I say the wrong word? What if someone laughs at me? What if I don't sound like a native speaker? What if they don't understand me? These fears are completely normal. Your brain is trying to protect you from embarrassment, but in doing that, it's also stopping you from learning. Here's the truth. You cannot learn a language without making mistakes. Mistakes are not something to avoid. They are something to celebrate, because every mistake means you're learning. Part 2. Small steps, big changes. Let's now look at simple, gentle steps you can take today to start overcoming your fear. Step 1. Speak to yourself. Yes, really. Start practicing English by talking to yourself. You can say things like, I'm making breakfast. I'm going outside now. I feel happy today. It feels silly at first, but it works. There's no pressure, no judgment, just your voice getting stronger. Step 2. Record and listen. Take your phone. Open the voice recorder. Say one sentence in English. Now, listen to it. Do this every day. You'll begin to hear progress. You'll notice your voice changing, your confidence growing. Step 3. Use the mirror method. Stand in front of a mirror. Look into your eyes. Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. Like this. I am learning English. I believe in myself. Every day, I'm getting better. This helps train not only your mouth, but also your mind. Part 3. Connect with people, even if you're shy. Speaking alone is good, but speaking with people is better. Let's start small. Option 1. Join an online community. Find people who are also learning English. You can join groups on Facebook, WhatsApp, Reddit, Discord. Look for groups like English Speaking Practice or English Learners Club. These communities are friendly and supportive. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to show up. Option 2, language exchange. Find someone who wants to learn your language, and you help each other. You speak English for 5 minutes, then your language for 5 minutes. Apps like Tandem, HelloTalk, Speaky can connect you to real people around the world. And remember, they are learning too. You don't need to be perfect. Just try. Part 4, mindset tools that actually work. Fear starts in the mind. Let's use the mind to fight back. Tool 1, deep breathing before speaking. Before you speak in English, pause. Take a slow breath in, and then out. Say to yourself, I'm safe, I'm learning, I am doing great. This reduces anxiety and helps you focus. Tool 2, write it before you say it. If you're afraid to speak out loud, start by writing it. Then read it slowly. This makes you feel more prepared and confident. Tool 3, visualize speaking successfully. Close your eyes. Imagine this. You are speaking English. You are smiling. The listener understands you. They are nodding. You feel proud. This simple practice, when done daily, changes your brain. Part 5, real practice sentences. Try these out loud. Here are a few beginner-friendly lines. Try saying them now. Hello, my name is your name. I'm learning English. Can I ask you a question? I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? I'm still learning, but I want to try. Now try these slower, more confidently, more naturally. Practicing these daily will slowly erase fear and build fluency. Part 6, what not to do. Sometimes what we avoid is as important as what we do. Here are 3 mistakes to avoid. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There's no perfect day to start. Just begin. Don't compare yourself to others. Your journey is unique. Don't measure it by someone else's progress. Don't be afraid of your accent. Your accent is beautiful. It shows your culture. It shows your courage. Speak with pride. Final thoughts. Be kind to yourself. Learning English is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about courage. It's about choosing to keep going, even when it's hard. And today, you've taken one big step forward. You've learned tools, you've changed your mindset, and most importantly, you showed up. Let's talk. Did this episode help you? Let me know in the comments. Tell me, what's one thing you learned today? What's your biggest challenge in speaking English? And remember, like this video if you found it helpful, share it with a friend who is learning English too. And subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. If you missed any of our earlier episodes, you can find the full 30-day challenge linked in the description. You're doing amazing. See you in the next one.